Hello guys, dinner's ready. Ayan, gumawa ako ng baked chicken with vegetable salad with sweet beans. Ayan, tapos meron siyang olive oil with balsamic vinegar for dressing guys sa salad. Ayan, nakakainin ko today. Yung hapunan ko guys. Ayan. Healthy dinner. O diba? Masarap. Walang kanin guys. Yan lang talaga ang kakainin ko. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Happy tummy na naman ako guys. Ayan. So yummy. Kain tayo. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.